Here's a couple easy exercises that for seniors helps with balance and strength. They just need to be able to stand. So one of the things to work the back of the legs, helps the booty also, is putting your hands against a wall. Go fairly close, not too close. And these are called butt kickers. All you do is try to lift one foot and then the other as high as you can, as if you're trying to kick your butt. Make sure the feet aren't too close. They should be a little bit wider than hip distance, and they can lean forward on a wall with fingers that are not together but out. That helps with balance. Again, kick, kick, 10 kicks per side. Make sure that foot is flexed. So this is a flexed foot. This is pointed. We want a flexed foot. Kick, kick. And then from here, you can progress to calf raises. You got this stability right here, just all the way up, all the way down, all the way up, all the way down, starting with 10 reps. And then after this, you do a stretch. One foot back, lean a little forward, and then switch. Nice little calf stretch. Make sure that back heel is pressed into the ground. And then another stretch people really like. Most people don't do this one. It's the soleus stretch, the small calf muscle. And you just bend and straighten, bend and straighten 10 times. And then so we worked the back of the thighs and the calf. Now let's work the front of the thighs. Just go ahead and head over to your couch and I'll show you that one. So you don't want to sit too close, but not, and you don't want to lean back. So just a little bit of space. Sit up tall, so no slouching, shoulders back and down. Hold the edge of the couch. And then you're going to flex the foot, so not point it. You're going to flex and extend. So make sure that it's completely straight. And then you can just extend and then tap, extend, or you can go all the way down, which is better, and extend. So you're going to do 10 leg extensions and do a little pause. So it's not quick. This is not momentum. You're using strength. So extend, pause, and then switch. So 10 on one side in a row with control, and then switch to the other side. You'll feel that shake in those top muscles, which is called the quadricep muscles. And then after that, you can point and flex. And this is great for stretching the shin. And then other side, 10, point and flex. And for a nice stretch, you lean a little forward, extend one leg, and don't round to reach because that can hurt the lower back and stretch the lower back. You don't want to do that. You just put your hands on your hips and lean with the chin. All right. And then you can go forward, pause, and back. And then just do that a couple times. And then you got a good little mini workout. So great for seniors or if anyone who is doing rehabilitation. Bye. For my favorite low-fat, oil-free, plant-based vegan recipes, order my cookbook with vegan nutrition facts on how to prevent and reverse disease, which chronicles my personal health and weight loss story through my website, thehighfivediet.com.